Yes people, what is going on? We're back again with another video. Today present the new Civic Type R FL5, the K20C1 up front. Back in the mountains in Japan on this home turf. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see, we've got the digital dash, sort of the analog style. We're in comfort mode at the moment, but don't think anyone cares about that. You can go up, you'll throw it into sport, you see it goes red there, and also there's an individual mode, and I have no idea what that is, and I haven't played around with it. So, but today there's a button down here that says plus R. We all know what that means. It's a Type R mode. Oh, and there you go, you feel the subtle changes already. Not too bad of a day today. But anyway, let's see what this beast can do. Hey, that pickup. .324, 325 bhp. That's what Honda's thrown in here. I've got a little automatic rev matching as well. I'm pretty sure you can turn that off. I haven't tried. I don't know if you can hear those turbo sounds, but you know what, when you put it in the Type R, the steering, oh yeah, that is, just picks up and go. I was driving on the motorway here, or highway for you Americans, and it just picks up any gears and just goes. Extremely comfortable as a cruiser, or as a back road blaster, as we're doing here. And I'm pretty sure this is a weapon on the track as well. But yeah, hats off to Honda yet again, giving us another Type R. My last video, I was driving the EK9. So yeah, what a difference from the very first Type R to the very latest. And I'm just gonna say it's just mad comfortable. These seats, if you ever have a chance to get into these seats, you'll know what I'm talking about. They're comfortable, they hug you into place, supportive, everything that you need. Oh my days, this car is flipping mental. Oh, the handling's so precise. Just a joy to drive. Let's not forget about that 6-speed manual. Just loves to be played through those gears. But the torque and acceleration on here is something else. you can hear the engine notes. I mean, they're not too loud. Oh my, the brakes are sharp. Absolutely sick. Just feel the tight chassis, very agile, and just planted. What a fun car. An absolutely fun car. And you can turn it into your daily with that comfort. Why not? I know people have been talking about the prices on these. Apparently in the States, I heard they're going up for like 70,000, 80,000. I'm not too sure. Basically like BMW M3 money. And even in the UK, I think they priced it around 45 or something like that, compared to like the last Type R, which was in the 30. So a lot of people are just saying, is it worth it? Well, you're gonna have to decide that for yourself. Take it for a test drive, but I'm just gonna say you won't be disappointed, especially if you take it on good roads, bends like these, canyon runs or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, you're definitely not going to get disappointed, but that's up to you if you want to justify that money for a Honda, right? That's what everyone's saying, but if you like it, you just take it. Don't worry about everyone else. Oh my days, this is bare fun. This is sick. Just nice. Steering wheel, this suede material, I believe it is. Nice feeling. And the interior just feels, you know, a bit more premium. But then again, I just came from an EK9, so, you know. There you go. You can put it in 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear, and just enjoy the drive. Let's just downshift that. That's it. 3rd gear into 2nd. Tires up front pulling you, but my oh my, that is, what a beautiful car. 100% recommend it. Take it for a test drive if you can. But that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video, throw me a comment, subscribe if you will, and I look forward to bringing some more content for you guys. Until the next one, peace out.